Listen up, I've got a killer strategy that'll have you trading with the trend and ranking in profits. With one free, multiple purpose indicator, you'll learn the best settings and rules to make smart entries and exits. This bad boy works for various markets and time frames, so you can tailor it to your style. Forget trying to guess reversals. That's tough and risky. We'll focus on following the trend for more success and less risk. Alrighty, let's jump online and visit TradingView. That's where we'll kick off this awesome strategy. You're gonna love the DIY custom strategy builder, our go-to indicator for this game plan. It's a nifty tool that bundles a bunch of indicators into one easy-to-use package. This thing is seriously cool and we'll have a blast mastering it together. You've added the DIY custom strategy builder? Sweet. Let's get into the settings and make the most of it. Now that you've got the hang of it, let's roll up our sleeves and build a winning strategy together. We're starting strong with the range detector as our signal indicator. Stay tuned for more strategies featuring other indicators. So remember to subscribe to the TradeGenius YouTube channel so you don't miss it out. Let's explore the chart and see how these indicators work in harmony to score profitable trades. So to get started, let's identify the trend's direction. Keep an eye on those SMA lines on your chart. If the SMA 50 is lurking below SMA 200 and the price is also chilling below both, you're in a downward trend. Time to hunt for selling opportunities. But what if SMA 50 is vibing above SMA 200 and the price is above both? That's an upward trend, friends. Start scouting for those juicy buying opportunities. Time to enter a trade? Here's what you do. For a short trade, first look for a short signal on the chart. Next, make sure the signal candles close prices below both the SMA 200 and SMA 50 lines. That confirms a downtrend. Once that's checked, you're clear to enter the short trade. Now for risk management, Set your stop loss level slightly above the most recent swing high, one of the MA lines or the range detector line, whichever works best for you. And when it's time to exit at some sweet profits, set your take profit target 1.5 times the distance between your entry and stop loss levels. Want to spot a long trade? Great. First, look for a long signal on your chart. Next, make sure the signal candle's close price is above both SMA 200 and SMA 50 lines. This confirms an uptrend, giving you the green light to enter the long trade. As for risk management, place your stop loss slightly below the most recent swing low, one of the MA lines or the range detector line, whichever suits your strategy best. When it's time to lock in those profits, set your take profit target 1.5 times the distance between your entry and stop loss levels. This keeps your risk to reward ratio in check and help maximize your gains. Ready to boost your trend trading profits? Check out the recommended video for game-changing tips. Trade smarter, earn bigger, and level up your skills. Don't miss out.